Welcome to the mesmerizing world of Ruddy Shelducks. As the seasons change and the landscapes transform, these magnificent birds embark on an incredible journey across countries, navigating vast distances in search of the perfect breeding grounds. After months of migration, the Ruddy Shelducks arrive at their destination, a serene oasis where they will engage in one of nature's most captivating rituals, courtship. The courtship dance begins. The males proudly display their vibrant plumage, a striking mix of chestnut and white, attracting the attention of their potential mates. The pairs engage in synchronized movements, circling each other in perfect harmony, strengthening their bond as they prepare to nest and raise their young. Once their bond is solidified, they build nests in scheduled areas near water, ensuring safety for their future offspring. Together they incubate the eggs and eagerly await the new life to come. Was the movement of the Ruddy Shelduck pair. If you like this video, please press like, and if you want to get more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel Nature Through Lens.